If you are looking for something healthy dessert recipe, then try this coconut dates and almond laddu. These laddus are so nutritious and tasty as well. First add 1 cup chopped fresh coconut in a grinder jar and grind well. Now add 7 to 8 soaked and peeled almonds into it and once again grind well. Both the almonds and coconut are rich in fiber and nutrients. Heat 1 to 2 teaspoons of cow ghee in a pan. Add grinded coconut and almond mixture. Roast on low flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. It may stick to the pan, so stir continuously on low flame. Now add 1 cup chopped seedless dates. Once again roast on low flame until the dates turn soft. Turn off the flame and let the mixture cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Add the mixture in a grinder jar and grind so that dates and coconut combine well. Now transfer the mixture in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon cardamom powder and mix well. Make small sized laddus and coat with finely chopped pistachios. Try this tasty, healthy and nutritious coconut dates and almond laddu recipe. If you like my recipe, share and subscribe to Cooking Art. Thanks for watching.